And Revanth Reddy Garu, we all know, he speaks only lies. 6 guarantees he gave. Not even a single guarantee is able to do. So 8 times the Chief Minister of Telangana has come to Palamuru to campaign against Arunamma. The CM knows he is losing. Revanth Reddy knows Congress is losing. That is why 8 times he has come. Only out of fear of defeat, that Arunamma and all the people who are here and all the Karyakartas, people of Palamuru, they will teach Revanth Reddy Garu a fitting lesson on May 13. That is why the CM who is afraid is staying only in Palamuru, campaigning here. Brothers and sisters, we all know a Congress MP is not going to do anything extra. A TRS MP cannot do anything. But a BJP MP, Arunamma, is a powerful voice in Telangana. She is going to be a powerful voice of Palamuru. And this powerful voice in the parliament can get anything for Palamuru. She can directly talk to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. She can get anything for us. And if you look at the manifesto which our Amma has given for us, Arunamma ka hami, Modi ka guarantee. Amma has brought it. Not only development, not only Arogya Kshetra, not only Yuva Shakti, not only Atmanirbhar, Mahbub Nagar, not only Clean, Green and Swachh Mahbub Nagar, not only Make It Mahbub Nagar, not only Digital Mahbub Nagar, Spiritual Mahbub Nagar. Akka, in one page, very simply, Arunamma has said, this is the change. Our brothers and sisters, you should be very clear. They cannot buy your self-respect. Congress in power, even if they give 500,000 per vote, the self-respect of Palamuru cannot be bought. That is why I am very confident, looking at this historic roadshow, looking at all your spirit. All of us are Arunamma, only not one Arunamma. All of us in Palamuru, all of us in Mahbub Nagar, all of us are Arunamma. Till May 13th, 6 p.m., the voting box is closed.